songs that I wrote because my friend had a clear out from her house and she got rid of some CDs, and one of them was this CD by Daniel Johnston called Feel Yourself. And when I opened it up, and here was when I show you the prop, there was no CD in it, so I thought, as an exercise, I would write the 12 songs that were on the album without knowing what they were. Now, I have a great talent for procrastination, and I kept putting it off. And the first song, rather aptly on this album, was called Now. 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 So I started writing a song because I was walking around the house going, now, I'm gonna start now. And that's how it went, like, now, I'm gonna start now, I'm gonna start now, I'm gonna start now, oh, now, it's gonna happen now, no more waiting around in my bed, no more lazing on the internet. I'm gonna do something else instead. Get out of here, you creepy head. No more waiting for a better time. I'm gonna set the world to right now. Now, I'm gonna start now. Now, it's gonna happen now. Now, I'm gonna start now, oh, now, it's gonna happen now. No more getting up way too late, no more slouching, stand up straight. Gonna decide one